Okay, so here is your problem. You've got density equals 0.55 grams per milliliter, and you have a volume is equal to 0.5 liters. Okay, so we need to find the mass. Now clearly we remember from our happy little triangle here that we have mass, density, and volume. So if I'm trying to find the the mass is going to be the density times the volume, okay, because I have D next to V. So my mass equals dV. Alright, but the problem is clearly we don't have matching units. Milliliters and liters are different. Okay, they're not going to cancel out, so I'm going to need to do something to make sure that they do cancel out. Okay, so what I will do is step one is you're going to have to change the units. And again, I'm going to change 0.5 liters to milliliters because there's only one unit to worry about. So 0.5 liters, and remember our unit conversion lines here over 1. I want liters on the bottom, I want milliliters on top, and I would know that the conversion factor for this is 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. That's my conversion that I'm using. Okay, so I simply match the numbers. 1 goes with liter, so it's down here. 1,000 goes with milliliters. 1,000 goes there. I definitely notice that my liters cancel, which is good because I don't want them anymore. And I end up going to, it's going to be a multiplication problem. 0.5, okay, times 1,000. If I move the decimal over, it's going to be 500. 100. Oops, that's 5,000. I need to go. Yeah, okay, we'll get my eraser here, and we will erase one of those zeros, right? And we'll go 500 milliliters, okay? So now, 0.5 liters I know is 500 milliliters. I haven't solved the problem yet, but I have changed my units. Now I do step 2. Step 2 is mass equals density times volume, so my mass is going to be equal to my density, which is 0.55 grams per milliliter times 500 milliliters. I see that now, indeed, my milliliters do cancel. Okay. And because of that, I end up with grams. That's great. So would somebody with a calculator out mind multiplying 0.55 times 500, and we're going to bring that down here. Should be something 260, 270, something like that. Yes. 275 grams would be the answer for this problem.